Hi, hi students. Today we will be discussing some important MCQs from the subject FST01 for the examination. Question number 1. INSAT 1B orbits the Earth in every dash 8 hours 15 minutes. Question number 2. Which pottery of 1000 BC to 600 BC found in Gangetic Plain? Painted grey ware. When coinage system started? Iron Age. What is monarchy means? Government under one king, sovereign ruler. Question number 5. When is Geological Survey of India created? 1851. The standard form of ASLV. Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle. The founder of ISRO, Vikram Sarabhai. Question number 8. By whom Arthashastra was written? Kaudilya or Chanakya. Question number 9. In which age caste system emerged? Iron Age. Question number 10. A group of stars arranged in a definite pattern defining a region in the sky is called constellation. Question number 11. The largest planet of solar system is Jupiter. Question number 12. Account to Rigved in how many regions universe is divided into? In 3 regions: earth, heaven, firmament. Question number 13. Who gives the law of planetary motion? Johannes Kepler. Question number 14. Who explained the eclipses theory? Aryabhatta. Question number 15. What is dioptics? Part of optics dealing with passage of light through transparent bodies like lens or glass. Question number 16. Which hormone increases the heartbeat and respiratory rate? Adrenal medullary hormone. Question number 17. Use of anesthetic described in Sushruta Samhita. Question number 18. The acoustics is a study of sound. Question number 19. The father of chemistry, Antonio Laurent Lavoisier. Question number 20. Depletion of ozone layer in the upper atmosphere is due to release of chemical compounds with gaseous chlorine or bromine. Question number 21. According to Ayurveda, 3 dosha which causes illness are Vayu, Pitta or bile, Kapha. Question number 22. The endocrine glands are those which secretes hormones directly into blood. Question number 23. In which period Aryans moved towards east? Rigveda period. Question number 24. Who discovered the circulation of blood theory? William Harvey. Question number 25. Which is the most suitable tree for the reclamation of alkaline soil? Mango tree. Question number 26. Which planet has a high surface temperature due to greenhouse effect? Venus. Question number 27. The expression for the measurement of IQ of a person is mental age divided by chronological age multiplied by 100. Question number 28. The branch of science that developed during Iron Age due to Greek contribution is metallurgy. Question number 29. By which technology we can get many calves of superior breed in a short time? Multiple ovulation embryo transfer. Question number 30. The study of interaction of organisms with their environment is called ecology. Question number 31. What is the entry point of solar energy in ecosystem? Photosynthesis. Question number 32. The functional unit of nervous system is called neuron. Question number 33. Which amino acid our body cannot synthesize? Essential amino acids. Question number 34. The carbon dioxide is utilized during photosynthesis and released during dash respiration. Question number 35. The 78% of gaseous component of our atmosphere is nitrogen gas. Question number 36. Due to soil or erosion, we not only lose soil but also many dash soil productivity. Question number 37. Who was the decimal system of numbers discovered? When was the decimal system of numbers discovered? 287 to 212 BC. Question number 38. The deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Question number 39. The neurons help in taking message from sensory organs to central nervous system. Sensory neurons. Question number 40. What type of disease is chickenpox? Airborne disease. Question number 41. The fly ash is used as a valuable material for cement, bricks and road embankment. Question number 42. The inner planet are made up of metal and rocks. Question number 43. What is homeostasis? The state of constancy which is vital for life. It is just like when we are entering into a cinema hall, we will not see anything. If we are sitting there for a short time, we can see the people sitting nearby and the objects around us. That is called homeostasis. Now question number 44. What is the shape of planetary orbit? Elliptical shape. Question number 45. The name of the theories of origin of universe. Big Bang theory and steady state theory. Question number 46. What is the name of evening and morning stars? Venus. Question number 47. The most massive planets of our solar system. Jupiter and Saturn. Question number 48. The Venus and Uranus rotates its axis in anti-clockwise or counter-clockwise direction. Question number 49. Who made the observation on planetary motion? Tycho Brahe. Question number 50. The Earth revolves on its axis from which direction? West to east. Question number 51. Which planet's orbit crosses Neptune's orbit? Pluto. Question number 52. The movement of Sun was observed by whom? Galileo. Question number 53. The visible surface of Sun is called photosphere. Question number 54. Which planet has no atmosphere? Mercury. Question number 55. What are the names of two natural satellites of Mars? Phobos and Deimos. Question number 56. Which organ are able to control or check loss of water from human body? Kidney. Question number 57. Ozonosphere layer of atmosphere is also known as stratosphere. Question number 58. The moon's surface has flat, dark expanses called maria. Question number 59. The name of pigment used for manufacture of food in plants. Chlorophyll. Question number 60. What are vertebrates? the animals possessing a backbone called vertebrates. Question number 61. The chemical name of kidney, which controls the absorption of water. ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Question number 62. According to survey of 1952, the maximum deforestation has occurred in which state? Madhya Pradesh. Question number 63. What is the percentage of salt in oceanic 100 ml of water? 3.5%. Question number 64. What is bioluminescence? The organisms which produce their own light in dark zone. Question number 65. What is the largest and thickest ecosystem of the earth? Oceans. Question number 66. What type of water movements commonly seen in seas? Waves, tides and currents. Question number 67. The distance between ozone layer and the earth's surface is 25 kilometers. Question number 68. Which gas also known as breath of life? Oxygen. 69. Type of plants which form lowest layer on earth. Small and tender plants from the lowest layer on earth. Question number 70. Define stratification. The forest possess a multi-layered structure called stratification. Question number 71. Which gas has high affinity to combine with hemoglobin? CO, carbon monoxide. Question number 72. The average temperature of earth is 16 degrees Celsius. Question number 73. For conserve energy, animal go for sleep at very low temperature. The term for this is called hibernate or hibernation. Question number 74. By the National Forest Policy in 1952, which states fulfill the stipulation of forest cover in hill region? Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Question number 75. Who lead the Chipko Andolan? Chandi Prasad Bhatt. Question number 76. Type of pollutants that causes pollution. Two types of persistent pollutants and non-persistent pollutants. Question number 77. The acid rain caused stone cancer to which monument? Taj Mahal. Question number 78. The pH value of acid rain between 3 to 5.6. Question number 79. The pH value of normal rain is 5.6. Question number 80. Which gas, also known as silent killer gas? CO, carbon monoxide. Question number 81. Type of categories of pollution caused by coal and wood. Carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, sulfur dioxide, particulates and nitrogen oxide. Total 5 categories. Question number 82. The aging is caused by deterioration in structure and function of cells and organ of the body. Question number 83. What is ecology? Relationship between organism and their environment. Question number 84. The normal temperature of human is 37 degrees Celsius. Question number 85. Define cybernetics. Development to study information and control in general way. Question number 86. What is food web? Different food chains which are interwoven are said to be food web. Question number 87. Asexual reproduction is carried out by only single parent. Question number 88. Gametes are formed by reducing the number of chromosomes by half. Question number 89. What are decomposers? Who feed dead plants and animals? Question number 90. Who gave the theory of chemical evolution? Apparent Haldane. Question number 91. The energy flow is one way while nutrients flow is cyclic. Question number 92. The origin of species is written by Charles Darwin. Question number 93. The nitrogen enters the food web through plants. Question number 94. Volcanoes are one of the most important source of nitrogen. Question number 95. Leaf, caterpillar, sparrow, eagle. It's a food chain. Question number 96. What is trophic level? The links or steps in food chain. Question number 97. The plants take up nitrogen in the form of nitrates. Question number 98. The world's poultry trace their origin to the red jungle fowl of Madhya Pradesh. Question number 99. The depletion of ozone layer due to CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. 100th question. Plastic, pesticides, heavy metals causes soil pollution. That's all for part 1. I will discuss other questions in the next part. Thank you.